game is incredible. It is an incredible game. It is the game of life.
Oh, I'm a rebel against the status quo. An artist who knows the future is not told. What does it hold? For myself, an artist knows the future is not told. For my family, for the groups I belong to, for humanity, for all that lives, for all that is, for the soul that I am, for infinity.
And suddenly, there's a game piece there that was not there before, because you have created it. You, as a theta being, have granted this life.
Got 1,000 words to say what she means. Put 'em in combination as she please. And he's got his own meanings for each one of her 1,000 words. Yes, come shuffle out that mouth into my world.
It starts operating on its own. And not only operating on its own, but evolving before our eyes. And then we start interacting with it, and it grows, and it evolves, and we evolve. And this is the universe. This is the way theta beings evolve. We create, and we grant beingness, and we grant life, and then the life is joined by another life. Suddenly you have this incredible evolutionary drive that creates universes beyond anything that we can imagine.
Somebody go get me my mom. Go get my brother. Get me my beautiful African lover. Oh, go on. We're all the same. We're all mankind. Go on, every here and now. Bring 'em on. But we're part of all. Working for this higher power. Go on. We are all driving the way forward for this thing we call life.
Life.
See, we're part of something free. We're part of something bigger now.
Oh, I so clearly remember. Oh, it was incredible. The creative impulse of a thetan, of a spiritual being. Because that's all we do. We create, we create, we create, we create. Theta creates life. As a theta being, you create something. And then you say, I grant you life. I grant you beingness. And suddenly, there's a game piece there that was not there before, because you have created it. The game could get better if I didn't always know that I had created it. I'm going to forget I did it. It's going to make it much more interesting. And this time, in this place, and in this universe, which we have populated with other beings that we have granted beingness to, we have also introduced amnesia.
The stars, the everlasting stars.
As we play the game, we get to the point where we forget that we are playing the game. We forget who created the game. We forget who created the other living pieces in the game.
Yes, the everlasting stars.
The animals and the plants and everything in this universe, we as theta beings have created.
The stars I shall forever pass in thee, the everlasting stars. I don't pretend to know what you're going through, my friend. But somehow I know where you're coming from.
When you start thinking about that,
We are matter,
the incredible scope of what we have created as theta beings in this universe
each of us matter.
makes whatever little suffering we happen to be going through here right now kind of minor in comparison.
We are matter. Now how to be understood? We are born for creation. On our own information. This is a deep